Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutingu Foodies. Today I'm gonna share this season special super yummy mango pancake recipe. These wholesome pancakes are eggless, vegan, dairy free, and they are made with all healthy ingredients like oats, flax seeds, and whole wheat flour. They are packed with fresh mango puree, and a hint of cardamom enriches the taste and flavor even more. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll make buttermilk. In a bowl, we'll add soy milk or any plant-based milk of your choice. We'll also add half tablespoon lemon juice. Give it a mix and keep it aside to rest for 10 minutes. Now in a blender, we'll add 2 tablespoons flax seeds and blend them into a fine powder. The flaxseed powder is ready. We'll keep this aside. To make oat flour, we'll add 3/4 cup of oats in a blender and blend them into a fine oat flour. The oat flour is ready. We'll transfer this in a large bowl. Now add in the flaxseed powder, half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup crushed cardamom, 2 tablespoons jaggery powder, a teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. And we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll make mango puree. In a blender, we'll add 1.5 cup chopped mangoes and give it a good blend. Mango puree is ready. We'll add this into the flour mixture. Add in the soy buttermilk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Now give it a gentle mix until everything is well combined, but make sure not to overmix. The batter is ready. Let's make the pancakes. We'll add some oil on a low to medium heated pan. Spread the oil and pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons batter for each pancake. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now flip the pancakes and cook the other side as well for around 2 minutes. And they are ready. Transfer these pancakes in a plate and make more pancakes in the same way. I always like to enjoy such a wholesome breakfast like these pancakes, which are loaded with nutrients, they have protein, and they are rich in fiber. That's why they make for a perfect, healthy and tasty breakfast to start your day with. For toppings, you can add your choice of fruits. I'm adding some more mangoes here. And a final touch of pure maple syrup, and they are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never tried mango pancakes, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned, happy eating. I'll see you next time.